In a world perpetually shrouded in the heavy fog of exhaustion, there existed an enigmatic source of boundless energy, an energy that resided within the very core of our beings. These hidden gems, known as mitochondria, were the unsung heroes responsible for tirelessly producing over 90% of the energy our bodies and cells required to function optimally. However, this vital energy production depended on a closely guarded secret: the presence of the right nutrients. Picture this. You awaken, yet no amount of rest seems capable of rejuvenating your weary spirit. A relentless state of tiredness and fatigue envelops you, clinging to your every step like an unrelenting shadow. It's as though your once vibrant energy has been gradually sapped, leaving you drained and disheartened. But fear not, for there is a hero in this tale, and its name is vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. Our journey through the marvels of vitamin B1 is not just a quest for knowledge, it is an expedition through the corridors of understanding and healing. Allow me to emphasize that this journey, while enlightening, is meant solely for educational purposes. Should you harbor any medical concerns or doubts along the way, I earnestly implore you to seek the counsel of your trusted physician. Now let us embark on this odyssey to unravel the profound mysteries of vitamin B1. Thiamine, a water-soluble wonder, is a treasure hidden within a myriad of foods. Our bodies, in their infinite wisdom, crave a daily supply of at least 1.1 milligrams of this precious nutrient. Its primary role is to orchestrate a magical transformation, turning the carbohydrates, proteins, and fats we consume into the tangible currency of energy within our trusty mitochondria. Yet thiamine is a fleeting friend, storing only for a brief period, rendering us dependent on a consistent intake from our diet. Imagine this. Vitamin B1 takes center stage as a coenzyme, a catalyst that sets in motion the intricate dance of the Krebs cycle. This cycle, akin to a mesmerizing ballet, is responsible for the production of the life-giving energy within our cells. When thiamine is abundant, vitality courses through our veins, imbuing us with a sense of stability and heightened alertness. It nourishes not only our brain and heart, but every organ and muscle in our wondrous bodies. Furthermore, it acts as a vigilant guardian, shielding our delicate nerves from harm and facilitating the creation of neurotransmitters that orchestrate our happiness and general well-being. Yet, dear reader, allow me to unveil a hidden secret. Vitamin B1 is not merely an external resource. It can also be cultivated by the benevolent bacteria residing within the vast, mysterious labyrinth of our intestines. Now, in the midst of this grand narrative, envision a life without this essential friend. Each morning you rise, but your spirit remains imprisoned in the relentless grasp of exhaustion, regardless of the depth of your slumber. Anxiety and stress become steadfast companions, their shadows looming larger with each passing day. For thiamine is the key to silencing the clamor of the fight-or-flight response. Your heart races, its beats echoing in your ears, surpassing 100 beats per minute even at rest. Night after night, you find yourself ensnared in the web of 2 to 3 a.m. awakenings, your mind overburdened with restless thoughts. Digestive discomforts lay siege to your well-being, whether through bouts of acid reflux, unrelenting bloating, or frustrating constipation. It turns out, is a silent conductor, guiding the symphony of digestive glands and valves. But what leads us to this perilous abyss of deficiency? The majority of souls find themselves basking in the abundance of B1 from foods like meats, eggs, and fish. Yet, lurking beneath the surface is a lurking threat: the overindulgence in refined foods, cunningly crafted with sugar and flour. These imposters, devoid of the natural nutrients found in whole foods, greedily consume our precious B1 stores. Biscuits, pastries, bread, sodas, sweets, and more, they conspire to deplete our B1 and leave us weary. Even the beguiling allure of caffeine and tannins found in coffee, tea, and energy drinks carries a heavy price, draining B1 and overstimulating our delicate nervous systems. Now, the plot thickens, and the narrative takes a darker turn. Emotional stress, an ever-present adversary, raises our blood sugar levels, further depleting our B1 reserves and plunging us into a pit of burnout. Over time, this relentless stress triggers the loss of muscle mass, particularly in the lower limbs and buttocks, a cruel fate, especially for older individuals. Adding to this symphony of tribulations, alcoholic libations cast a shadow over our body's ability to absorb B1 in the intimate realm of the small intestine. Certain medications, too, join the sinister chorus: antacids, antibiotics, birth control pills, and diabetes drugs, each wielding their power to deplete vitamin B1. But, my dear reader, let us not be disheartened, for there is a ray of hope that pierces through the clouds of despair. Let us embark on a journey towards the reclamation of our lost vitality and the restoration of our inner fires. 1. Embrace foods that are naturally rich in B1. Organic pork, sunflower seeds, garlic, squash, asparagus, mussels, and the miraculous nutritional yeast flakes. These gifts from the bosom of nature, when consumed daily, not only replenish our B1 stores, but also collaborate harmoniously with other nutrients to ignite the dormant fires of energy within our mitochondria. 2. In the grand tapestry of dietary choices, bid farewell to refined foods that squander our precious B1 reserves, especially those laden with sugar like sweets, pastries, sodas, and chocolates. Opt for the nurturing embrace of wild rice over its paler, stripped counterpart, for wild rice retains the B1-rich outer bran. 3. In this quest for revitalization, introduce a daily supplement into your regimen, one containing 50 milligrams of L-lithiamine or 13 milligrams of thiamine carboxylase. These potent forms of vitamin B1 are the elixirs that will replenish our B1 stores, ushering in a serene and constant flow of energy, enhanced mental acuity, and heightened alertness. 4. In the realm of nutrition, feast upon whole, unrefined meals, red meats, leafy greens, and eggs to provide your body with the essential trifecta of iron, folate, and vitamin B12. These faithful allies bolster our red blood cells, fortifying them as they transport precious oxygen to our mitochondria. In this sacred partnership with vitamin B1, they liberate us from the shackles of perpetual fatigue. 5. And now, a symphony of probiotics beckons: sauerkraut, kimchi, pickles, and these fermented treasures colonize our intricate gut with benevolent microbes, producing more vitamin B1 in our expansive large intestine when nourished with soluble fiber. As our epic tale draws to a close, I extend my heartfelt gratitude for your steadfast companionship on this extraordinary journey. With every breath, may your days be filled with vibrant health, abundant wealth, and boundless happiness. In conclusion, our journey through the realm of vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, has been nothing short of a revelation. We embarked on this odyssey in a world where persistent fatigue and weariness seemed to hold sway over our lives. The relentless demands of daily existence left us drained, and no amount of sleep could rekindle our dwindling energy. Yet within this narrative of exhaustion, we discovered the key to revitalization: vitamin B1, a remarkable water-soluble nutrient that holds the power to transform our lives. We learned that our cells house tiny powerhouses called mitochondria, responsible for producing more than 90% of the energy our bodies and cells require. These mitochondria, in turn, depend on a delicate balance of nutrients, with vitamin B1 playing a pivotal role in this intricate dance of energy production. It acts as a coenzyme, igniting the flames of the Krebs cycle, the very core of energy generation within our cells. When vitamin B1 is abundant, we experience not just physical vitality, but also mental clarity and emotional well-being. However, the story took a darker turn as we delved into the consequences of vitamin B1 deficiency. We found ourselves imprisoned in a relentless cycle of fatigue, anxiety, and stress, our hearts racing, our sleep interrupted, and our digestive systems in turmoil. We uncovered the insidious culprits behind this deficiency: refined foods laden with sugar and flour, caffeine, tannins, emotional stress, alcohol, and certain medications, each silently depleting our vitamin B1 stores. But we did not lose hope. Armed with knowledge, we embarked on a path to restore our vitality and well-being. We embraced foods rich in vitamin B1, reintroduced whole, unrefined meals into our diets, and considered supplements that could replenish our B1 stores. We also embraced probiotic-rich foods to nurture our gut microbiota, further enhancing our vitamin B1 production. In this journey towards rejuvenation, we discovered two potent energy-boosting recipes, the ALB Energy Drink and the Energy Source Dressing, each brimming with nutrients to fuel our mitochondria and kindle the fires of energy within. As our story comes to an end, let us remember that the quest for health and vitality is a lifelong journey. Vitamin B1, though a crucial ally, is but one piece of the intricate puzzle of well-being. Let us continue to explore the vast realms of nutrition, exercise, mindfulness, and self-care to craft lives filled with boundless energy and profound happiness. May this tale of vitamin B1 serve as a beacon of hope and empowerment, reminding us that we possess the power to reclaim our vitality and transform our lives. As we close this chapter, let our days be illuminated by the radiant glow of vibrant health, prosperity, and enduring joy.